So one of my students brought this question on bearing and distance to school. That's early hours of this week. So I called SS2 student and SS3 student so that we can all solve it together. Then this is the process whereby we are trying to interpret the question into diagram so that we can get our angles, the sides of the triangles before we start the proper solution.
From 90, not from year to year, it's 90. Take away 7 from 90, what's the remaining? So that means the angle here is what? And don't forget, alternate angle are always what? Equal. If here is 33, year 2 is what? So if you add 33 and 32 together, what's the answer?
65.
So here is what? Now using sum of angle in a triangle, that means angle R plus angle what? X plus angle what? M must give us what? That's the sum of angle in a what? Triangle. R is already what? 92. Plus what is X?
65.
65. Plus M equals to what? 180. Now 90 plus 65 is what? 157 degree plus what? M equals to what? So that means M is equals to what? 180 minus 157. So M is what? 23 what? Degree. So the angle here is what? Why do you think I'm putting one sign here, double sign here, and 3 sign here? Because this is what type of triangle is this? Scaling. Because all the angles of a scaling, they are not equal. Sure you understand now? Now we have gotten M. Can everybody tell me the reason why we have to find M? Because we're going to use sign rule to find what? X. Now to get X, we are doing now using sign rule. We're going to be using, we need X, but we have angle X. We have angle M and we have side M. So that means we are going to be doing M over sine M equals to what? X over sine X. So we are looking for X and we make X subject of the formula. So X will be what? M sine what? X over what? Over sine M. Oh yeah, what is M? That's 350. Are you with your calculator? Yes, sir. Times what's sine? Sine what? Sine what? What's X? 65. Over what? What's M? Sine 23. Can somebody kind enough to tell us that? Sine 65 is 350 times sine 60. Just do it direct for me.
65.
350 times sine 65.
Okay. Cool. 317. 317.21 over.
Just put 7 because it must be 4. Divide this for me, please. 317. What is 317? 317.21 divided by 811.84. That's meter B. So here is now 811.what? So we can find the height of the what? Of the mast. So the height, to calculate the height of the mast, which is H. So we are using what? Largest ratio. So that will be time. What's the angle there?
20.
Equals to what? H over what? 811 point adjacent. 84 meter. So H will be what? Time 20 times 20 degree times 811.84 meter. So H will be what? What's that? 0.36 times 811.84 meter. Multiply together for me.
295.48.
Cannot be 4 9, it will be 5 something.
48.
Cannot be 4 8. You have made mistake somewhere. It will be 5 1 something. That's meter. If you approximate H, that's what? 296. So that's the height of the what? Of the tower.